another review. This is a piece of a toilet brush that was sent to me to try out. It does come in a pack of 2. It does come with this, and this is now the handle for you to go ahead and build. So it does have 2 of them. So I have one already in my bathroom, and this is one that I have not used as yet. So this is the case for the brush. This is how it actually opens, and this is the silicone brush head. So it is silicone Bristles, as you can see, like that. It is quite flexible, as you can see there. So it's going to help get into those little crevices of your bowl, any angles and stuff like that. And because it's silicone, it also helps to get off any debris or anything like that you need to get off. So this is the handle. We're simply going to connect both of these pieces and then connect this onto the actual brush head. So this is actually the length of it. This has a nice grip right here, so it's actually okay. It's comfortable to hold. And then it just sticks inside of here. Once you push down, this closes. Once you pull up, this casing actually opens. As you can see right here, this is actually the little container that the brush head will actually stay in. So this is, just push it down and up. This is actually, compared to the other toilet brushes that have the actual hard bristles, I actually prefer this one just because of how it's made right here. It is so soft, but yet it still does a really, really good job.